So by squaring, convert to straight line form, this formula here, and use the least squares curve fit to find a and b. So let's square then. So v squared, and square a square root, you just get what's inside, as plus b. Compare that with y equals mx plus c then, and we see that y has to be the v squareds, x has to be the same as s, m corresponds to A, and C will then correspond to B. So we need to plot S against V squared. So 32, 68, 108 and 152. 32, 68, 108 and 152. 108 and 152, and that was S, which is our x, and our V squared is going to be 34 squared, 38 squared, 42 squared and 46 squared. Then we want the xy's, so let's work out those. So 32 times 34 squared, 36992. 68 times 38 squared, 98192. 108 times 42 squared, 190512, and 152 times 46 squared, 321632. 321632. So that's xy. Then we need the sum of the x squareds, don't we? So let's just work them out. 32 squareds, 1024. 68 squared, 4624. 108 squared, 11664. And the last one, 152 squared, 23104. Okay, we need x bar, and we need y bar, and we need the totals, don't we? Okay, so let's add them up then. 32 and 68 is 100. 208, 308, 310, 360. This one, let's just add them up. $6,480, and the next one, add those numbers up, 4 numbers, 647328, and then the last one, the x squareds, 1024 plus 40416. Okay, good. Now the x bar, 360 over 4 is 90, and 6480 over 4 1620. So we need the formula for m, which is, I'll just write it out now, summation of xy's minus n x bar y bar on top over the summation of the x squareds minus n x bar squared. So summation of the xy's, put it in. I'll just type this in a calculator then, rather than put it in. So, or I could overwrite it. Yeah, let's overwrite it then. So we're absolutely happy with it all. So 647,328 minus n, which is 4, times x bar y bar. 4 times 90 times 1620 x bar y bar times 4 over the summation of the x squareds 40416 minus 4 times x bar squared. X bar squared is 90 squared. So let's tap that in then and work it out. So on top, 647,328 minus 4 times 90 times 1620, that's the top number, divided by bracket 40416 minus 4 times 90 squared, close the bracket underneath, 8. And then C is equal to y bar minus m x bar. Y bar is 1620 minus m, which is 8, times x bar 90. So we got 1620 minus 4 times 90, wasn't it? 1260. Oh, minus 8 times 90. Because it was m, wasn't it? 900. Okay. So that's that one done. There's C and M. Now we need to look back at the question now, don't we? Okay, so what do we get? We get v squared. A is 8, because M is 8, and C is equal to the B value, so B is 900. So we get v squared equals A 8s plus 900. So v squared 8s plus 900 is what we've got for our least squares curve for it. Now the question asks for estimate v when s is 90. Eight times 90 then plus 900. So that tells us what v is when we square root the answer. 8 times 90 plus 900. 1620, square root of the answer then. 18 root 5, which is 40.24 or 40.25. 40.25, and that's to 2D. Okay, next one. It says estimate s when v is 44. So put it in. 44 squared is equal to 8s plus 900. So 8s then will equal to 44 squared minus 900, and s will equal 44 squared minus 900 over 8. So 44 squared minus 900 equals, that's the top number, divide that by 8, is equal to 129.5, 129.5, and that was to 1 decimal place.